I'm Deborah.
And I'm Michael.
And we are partners,
parents,
and professional coaches.
Oh boy.
And today we're going to talk about one of your favorite topics.
Project management.
So what would be one thing that we would want people to know about project management who are not, unlike you, professional project managers?
Okay, so I think the first thing, initiation. When you are starting to think about starting a project, big picture, what are you trying to accomplish?
So we recently sent both our kids off to college.
Woohoo!
And in getting them all packed up, what was an example of initiation?
Big picture, what are we trying to accomplish? Get them out of the house. Get their stuff out of the house with as little problem as possible.
Okay, so that sounds like there were two parts to that. Number one was the get them out, and number two was as little problem as possible. And how would you help somebody define what problem was?
Well, for them, moving into small dorm rooms, separating out the nice to have versus the need to have. Mm-hmm. So we could start to think about what they could actually accommodate and what would be, if we had room for it, we would throw it in the car.
Yeah. So constraints seems like it's a big issue
yes.
there. Great. Okay. So if somebody on the other end of this is starting a project, whether it's as blissful as getting their kids out of the house, or maybe starting homeschooling their kids, or starting a new work project, what would be the one takeaway for them?
I think separate out the generation of ideas from the evaluation of ideas.
Oh, I'm so good at evaluation of ideas.
And I'm terrible at. I shouldn't say that, but I think it's important to not make the quick leap from, oh, I've got this idea, let me start to run through all the constraints and everything else. Generate the ideas, evaluate them afterwards.
That was good, hun. All right. See you next time.